They gonna make me walk. I work right here. They gonna make me fucking walk. I'll walk. I will walk, guys. Yeah. I'll see you at Reed Market, motherfucker. Oh, I'm gonna get you, you fucking bastard. Oh, I'm gonna fucking get you. Well, I got the info. I was gonna have the week off. We got the coronavirus in town. We got the spring break running around, and or vice versa. Yeah, Lake Alum Manor here. It's this place is very close to Lake Alum Manor. Yeah, I do believe the PG&E picnic area is over there. And on a good day, they parked us a little bit in another spot. We maybe able to see the lake from here, but you know, BNSF is not the the chauffeur you desire. Sometimes it's just the chauffeur you take. Yeah, so I just found out I got a week off and decided to go on down to California. My buddies want me down there to clean up some property, rummage through some people's old junk, throw a bunch of it away, I bet. I mean, look at me. I mean, I'm not in any condition to carry anything away. So I'll go down there to the Emerald Triangle and clear out a pot farm, get ready for the season to begin. Do a little hitchhiking around, a little traveling, you know. This is like a little vacation from Bend. You know, I do believe that trying to remember where I'm at right now. So there's the highway right there. And so that's the PG&E picnic area. Usually you're like a little bit, sometimes you're a little bit further up. And so it's a long train. So I wonder if they're going to do a crew change at the Ketty, because last time I think it was, I can't remember where they kicked me off at last time. It was somewhere around here, either Lake Almanor or the Ketty Y up ahead. So hopefully they'll be able to get a crew out here, because last time they kicked me off because they couldn't get a crew out here. So they had to send a relief crew, and relief crews came up behind me. You know, and the engines came up just on some double engines from behind, from, I guess, Klamath Falls. I don't know where they sent those double engines from, but it's about time to make some coffee, oatmeal, maybe make a poop. Smoke some more of this weed I got in my pocket. I made this. No longer will Bama's coffee be gritty. It's called the Mix Stash. I go to the U-grind drawer at the grocery store where you grind your coffee beans, and you don't grab all the grounds because they spill, and then you grab your bag because it's filled up. They all fall in the drawer. And I open the drawer, and that's about what I got the other night because of the virus. Everybody's grabbing toilet paper and vodka and beer, you know, wine, toilet paper, ramen. I think that was the most popular items that were missing from the stores. So I got me a bunch of coffee. This will last me the whole trip. I got a little bit more, another bag. I got some beer over there, sitting over there in the ice, because it's 10%, so it won't freeze below 17 or 15 degrees, even sitting in the snow like that, so I'm not really worried. I got 2 liters of water. Trying not to make too much coffee because I don't want to have to melt snow, pour water. I'd rather just drink the water I got, so just use a little bit of coffee. This will probably be, it's about up to here. It's going to be like an espresso. I have about 4 scoops in there, maybe 5. It's going to come out thick. Probably cut it with a pair of scissors. That's about a foot of snow out there. I tried to step off the ladder, and I didn't want to get, these shoes aren't really waterproof. They're just really great walking boots. So Try not to get them wet, you know. I got really good socks on. My dad gave to me for Christmas, so it's the thickest pair I could on. And it's still cold. I got some hand warmers in my shoes. I think the other year when me and Ringo came through, hell, we came through early March and there wasn't this much snow on the ground. It wasn't this bad. Can't remember where we woke up in the morning. It's about here. We weren't to the Ketty yet, so it's about somewhere in here. I think we were near the Paxton Depot. All right, here at Dayton Depot. Got the little skeleton here. Oh my god. This guy right here. He's just hanging out, having a good time watching trains go by. Yeah, this thing had a lid and it was longer. Now it just fits perfectly inside of this thing. It's almost like it came from REI, you know? I got this thing when the trimmers left the pot season a couple years ago. I found the pot. I already had the lid somebody gave me. I wish I had a metal handle, but it's kind of had a hot fire or two seen in its day. And yeah, it's pretty good. Oven cleaner, you know, just found it all burned up. Somebody forgot something in the fire with it, I guess. And oven cleaner, yeah, it just cleaned this thing right up. Now it's dirty again, but it did never do like it did before. A little black on it, but you know, the inside was just like burned potatoes. It's a really nice chair. It's really comfortable. I got this extra tarp tent bag thing from Tinsel's trash can, and it's a tent place. And then I got this like a hotel comforter, but it's probably from somebody's bed because it has some like Chinese stuff on it or something. It's not like a hotel comforter, but it kind of looks like a hotel comforter, I guess. It's a comforter. This is a comforter. Yes, this is a comforter. And yeah, I'm all wrapped up. We got the seat lined with it, and down to my feet, hand warmers in the shoes, and no gloves on. So you know it's pretty nice out. If you know how to prepare yourself, that's essential. That's essential preparation right there. You know, I would be further back on the train in a better ride, maybe a little bit warmer, but just not gonna do that this time. You know, I was able to tough it out in the cold steel, and I have a foam piece under my shoes and under my butt to really. really difficult to tell where I'm at right now. Well, there goes the sign. Damn. I think I'm pretty close to the Ketty. It's my little buddy. He's hanging out with me. Or she's hanging out with me. Look at these boobies. I don't even know where I'm at, man. But I'm pretty close to Ketty. I don't think I've passed it. We wouldn't really stop as much on past it. But yeah. I mean, plus we're on the main. So, you know, gotta be on BNSF property. Ketty should be coming up ahead. Probably crew changing. Maybe the front of the train is like way up there. I think there's like another tunnel. Because this doesn't look like where the crew change van usually shows up at. So, made a little snowman. Well, give me some lunch going here, and so I can drink me some beer. I don't want to do it on an empty stomach. Give me some soup, Tuscan 3-bean. Yeah, might cook it out here. I don't know. Shoot, more spacious. That's the highway right down there. I don't know if you can see it. It's just like right below me, right there. And if you're ever out here and you need to go get gear, there's actually a map somewhere under this bridge, I think. I do believe it's this one right here. There's a map and it tells you the timetables. I don't know how up to date, but yeah, right about in there, there's like a map hidden in a cup, you know, and kind of gives you an idea of when the buses come so you can go get beer if you're out here for a long time. Camping out, enjoying yourself. It's a really great place. There's the Spanish Creek Fork campground down there. Well, coming up ahead when we get to the bridge, that's the Spanish, that's the creek campground. Well, you know, it's all just a campground around here, you know? But I ate 2 lunches. Pretty good. It's noonish. Okay, we are now going over the BNSF section of the Ketty Y. That over there, we will eventually be looping. Oh no, wait, we're not there yet. Okay, that's the bridge. That's the Spanish Fork Creek campground. Spanish Creek Fork campground. It's a tongue twister. And it seems like we're gonna stop. Well, I figured out where I am. I may not be in the exact location, but I'm in one of I passed the one spot, the crew change, and then this is the tunnel right here, and then up ahead is maybe like one more tunnel, and then the Ketty. I think this may be the spot. I'm not sure, where me and Ringo ran into James and Catherine. Episode 1. I don't know. Cut in. Two people just walked out of nowhere and walked up on me. Whoa. More on that one later. Cause I was pretty close to the tunnel. I couldn't see all this stuff. I don't know. Ringo was more further back here, but you know. I like to also point out that somebody else has been here in the snow. And they only went from about, I don't know, one car length to about the end of this car right here. They only went about one car length, probably check on their buddy or get a different ride. I mean, if you jumped on, let's see, if you went this way like I'm going, you might have jumped on Dirty Face. That might not be a good ride. I definitely want to switch that out too. But, alright. I don't know, I think this is probably a better spot to wait than San Joaquin Street Station in Stockton. So I just stayed on the train by accident. I thought they were just briefly stopping at the yard, tower, depot. Man, they were fucking crew changing. Anyways, so I stayed on to the yard by accident and I ended up here in Modesto, which is not too far south. It's only like an extra $10 on my Amtrak ticket. So I was to take Amtrak from the Bay to Stockton to the Bay, so then I can at least just do it from Modesto to the Bay, or probably just do it from like Modesto to the first Amtrak station, like Oakley or some shit. I don't know. We'll see. I'll look up the price on the BART. But for a while now, I've been screwing the BART system, and with this coronavirus, you know, I really think I can just screw the BART system again. You know, you just kind of like hop the thing. If security starts chasing you, you start coughing everywhere, frantically, spitting, throwing bodily fluids around. They don't get paid enough to deal with that shit. Nice clouds. Get him, Pie. Get him. Get him, Pie. Get him. Yeah, one big pile of bullshit trash. Followed by fucking ransacked bullshit trash trailer and bullshit trash everywhere. One dump load done. One more packed. One more here. Two more here. 3, 4, probably like a half a dozen more dump loads and some tidying up to do, and we'll be out of here probably like by, see, today's Thursday. Probably out of here Saturday. I got something for Ringo. Even though he works for forestry, he might like that. I don't know. We'll see. Little buddy, little trick, souvenir for a buddy. Where's my beer? Smoke some weed. If I can get out of here, go stay at a hotel room. Shower up. Get this nasty ass smell off of us. Fucking here in the Emerald. Well, one full day of work, and then you got the moving wood and that first day starting off in the trash, and we're done. Coronavirus is hitting America. 6-packs of Corona are empty off the shelf. The ocean sunset was beautiful last night. Oh, here we go. And the RTS out of here. Hopefully it shows up. I don't know. Like $10 to get to Gasquet. Well, I'm out here a little bit past Gasquet and Hitch. I don't know how to pronounce that one town on the Redwood Highway, but going up the 199. You know, I was gonna pay for a bus, and it just seemed like a frustration. I went to the airport, and apparently Google was telling me the wrong fucking thing, and that ain't where the damn Route 20 starts. And today has all just been fucked to hell and shit in a handbasket. I got some pork loin, I got some asparagus cooked up, and from my buddy's house, so I got some good food. I don't even have to cook; it's already pre-cooked. Just sit out here and enjoy the nice environment. Very, very, very cool. You know, scenic. It's not even that rainy and cold. It's actually pretty nice. It could change any day, but hopefully we get out of here the next well, went back to the lodge, figured the most logical place. This nice rock-in campground spot. I'm in number 4. I think this is an abandoned campground. Bathroom is no longer working, so just kind of hanging out. It's pretty nice. Trees are cut down last year, so nice firewood, and hell yeah, sprawl out right here and make some tea. Oh, this is the abandoned campsite. I'm gonna say abandoned because of the spills from the wall here. Old bathroom. Nice fire pit, seating area.
Sí, por ese día que andaban ahí los primo del Chuy. Ahí se pararon con él y Chuy sí salió y le dijo, mire cuñado, con todo el respeto, usted primo con todo el respeto que se merece, dijo, y no lo merecemos.
Yards up ahead from today. Start off in the redwoods, ended up here. It's pretty good timing so far. I'm beating the bus. The bus is due here like at 6. It's like 5 something or 4 something now. So pretty good timing. Beating the public transportation system. That's the UP yard over there. Got the DNSF yard right over here. Get split right there. Just 50 yards. You know. I'm gonna try to hide my backpack and then go charge up at Walmart and get ready for the ride. I'm gonna have a full battery when I get on, possibly, because it's gonna be raining all day tomorrow in Eugene, and the weather is probably gonna come this way, and it will probably be really hard to charge up the phone via the solar panel.